In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money online as a teenager. Now, if you're a teenager or you have a teenager kids at home, this video is for you. Now, even if you're not a teenager, the concept of business ideas you can still apply even as an adult. Okay, now I want to talk about why teenagers should gain experience as an entrepreneur right now. Now, if you look at this article from CNBC, this was reported like in 2018, October 8, 2018. So Google, Apple, and 12 other companies that no longer require employees to have a college degree. So these are all the companies. Google, you have like Costco, this is Penguin, Whole Foods, Hilton, Apple, Starbucks. These are all big companies that doesn't require a teenager to have a college degree in order to work for them. So now, if it doesn't need a college degree, what else are they looking for? So one of the things that they're looking for is experience. So this is a time that a teenager should acquire work experience. But how are they going to get work experience? So one way is through becoming an entrepreneur. So because as an entrepreneur, you need to learn all skills about business. So while working for other people, it's part of a business. This is one of the key reasons why a teenager should be an entrepreneur. Now, since you know why teenagers should gain experience as an entrepreneur, let's jump into what can they do. So I'm going to talk about a few online and offline business ideas. Now, before we go into that, let's watch this short video. Now, it's in Chinese or Mandarin, and I'll explain about the videos. It's a very short video, just have a look.
是我和我舍友都不是特别勤快，想到或许可以买一个扫地机器人，吸引了很多围观吃瓜群众。毕竟在当代女大学生，我们特性就是比较懒，想自己扫地，然后看他那玩意儿，我觉得很新鲜，然后就进来试一试。扫地一次是5块钱，扫家拖一次是8块钱，如果是包月的话，就是10次60块钱。现在生意挺好的，20几个寝室已经用过这个扫地机器人，好几家已经预定了包月的业务。110启动扫地机器人，定位中，请稍等。
Alright, so after watching the video, you can see that these college students basically using the vacuum cleaner as their business. So what they're doing is that they go buy these robot vacuum cleaners and end up because she's paying like monthly installment on that vacuum cleaner, and now she got to pay back to the bank, so she rent it out when she's not using it. Because there's so many friends in the university hostel. So she just started renting it out for a few Chinese yuan, and then slowly the business takes up, and end up there are 20 over customers that paying her every month to pay for her monthly installment. In fact, she makes more than what she need to pay for the installment. Now, this is something that I just want to show you to inspire you that there's so many things. All they do is to solve a certain small problems that the hostel's students are facing. So one of the key things that you can start as a teenager is to provide a service to a certain needs in your community or surrounding you, maybe your neighbors and so on. So here's some ideas. One is that you can be a tutor or trainer. A tutor means that because it depends on what grade you are, and then you can teach a younger students in the subject that you are good at. If you're good at maths, then you can teach on maths, or you're good at language, certain languages, you can teach a young students on a certain language. Tutoring is a good way to start. Next, car wash. You see, a lot of people have cars, and then it's very troublesome to wash cars. It's nice to drive, but it's not nice to wash. You can offer a car wash to your neighborhood during the weekend, and you can make money out of that. Next thing is pet care. Now today there's a lot of people have pets, and then at certain times it's not convenient for them to bring their cat, you can take care of them, right? If they go travels, so you can take care of them for 1 or 2 days, or you can do a pet walking, take the pet to walk every evening. So this is one way that you can provide service. Those are more offline, but of course you can use online method to get customers, but those are more offline kind of business. Now the next thing is online business. Practically you are doing this business all through your computers. So as long as you have internet and computer, you can do this business. So let's see what we can do. First thing is very simple, e-commerce. Now e-commerce is booming, and there's a lot of software today that allows you to easily build your web store. So utilize on that and then find products that people want and you can start selling. Now, if you're not going to start your own e-commerce, there are a lot of e-commerce companies also looking for people to upload photos, to edit their photos or videos and data entry, key in the description and all this thing. There's a lot of work on that. You can get them to outsource to you and for you to help them upload the photos, edit the photos or edit the videos. So this is one way that you can create your own online business. Next thing, you can be a designer, web developer. Now today, the technology has become so advanced that designing photos becomes so easy, or even videos, or develop your webs, or even apps. It's so easy that you can learn maybe in just a weekend. And then you can start helping small businesses, cafe, restaurants. These people also need social media, you see. So they need photos, they need maybe a web stores, or maybe just a landing page. So these are things that you can do to help all these small businesses on their online business marketing. And finally, social media management. Now, today social media is a must for all business. A lot of small businesses, they are multitasker. The owner are multitasker and they do not have time to do all these things. So one of the key things is that you can charge them a monthly fees and you help them to post articles, photos, videos every week. And that way you can create your own social media agency to start it off. So I hope this video will give you some ideas to help you kickstart your business. Now, even though you're not a teenager, this idea still applies for you. Now, if you're a teenager and you're interested to learn, do leave a comment and we will create a program or a course just for you to teach you how to start your business, how to promote your business, how to get your first customers. So if you're interested or you have teenager kids, by all means, you can leave a comments or go to our website andrewcheah.com and send us a message through our contact form and we will inform you once our course is ready. I hope you liked today's video, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. We share business ideas and business tips every week. So if you want more business ideas, watch these videos.